still just POV drive. If you guys were here the last one, I did like a little run over on the car, was done with it. And that hasn't seen it. If you guys want to go check out the last video, this should only be the second one that's posted, so should not be hard to find. Just finished work a little bit ago, then headed to the gym. Figured I'd just slap this bad boy on, man. And traffic's probably gonna be shitty. Friday. Car sounds completely different with the windows up and inside the car. It sounds way better outside. I hate how it sounds inside. I feel like it sounds like shit, but it's actually not half bad. Alright, is this guy gonna go for it? Yeah, I'm pulling my lane. Yeah, I'm actually going the speed limit right now too. It's annoying. Then he gets up. But yeah, this is I got stainless works, inch and 7/8 catless headers. Check engine light if you guys see that, just because of the headers. I'm gonna get Fowlers, I mentioned last time, to extend the O2 sensors a bit, and hopefully that should take care of that issue. Running 93 right now. I have my flex tune on one time for 85. I was getting like fucking 8 miles per gallon. I switched back to 93, which is not much better. I think if I look right now, I'm getting like 11.9 miles per gallon, so not a whole lot better, but it is half the price if I went back to 85. So it is a definite consideration. I can go a couple routes here. I can go straight, or take a left. Either is gonna be bad. Only thing I don't like about doing this POV drive, I love listening to music, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so volume is off. Also, I guess while I'm at it, so this has a whole, I think they said Hertz audio system in here. How they set it up, Lambo, how they set it up, the regular audio only plays through this top speaker. Everything else is connected to the sub. So I got like a small bit of static here with volumes all the way down for some reason. Half of me wants to go next to the Lamborghini that just drove past, but I know he is faster than me. This is only a full bolt-on NA car, but I'll probably keep up with it a little bit. Definitely not from a dig. I didn't really see what car it was though. If it's all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. I don't know, you guys tell me what you want to see. I plan on taking this thing, cruise on the highway, see what we can find, see what we can, you know, play some games with. Just normal cruises and all that. Mentioned last time, this weekend I'm going to do a Cars and Coffee with a couple buddies. It's on a more scenic route. We got some curvy roads, for us at least, where I live. So hopefully I get some good footage there. I don't know exactly what else we plan on doing. I guess we can walk around the Cars and Coffee, see what kind of bikes and cars may be there. Hopefully some cool stuff. Either way, it's get out, go check out some of the vehicles here. It's a different one. I've never gone to this one. I don't know, I can't remember if the other people I'm going with have gone there. I don't think they have, but I know I definitely have not yet, so I'm not sure what the typical turn is for that. But yeah.